Hey guys, welcome back to Cooking with Stefan. Today we are cooking shells and cheese. Today's recipe we need half a bag of small shells. This is a 16 ounce bag of shells. 8-ounce can of tomato sauce.
Oh, that's tomato sauce?
Heavy whipping cream.
That's it's cheese. I really like it.
Deluxe American cheese slices.
I like the cheese.
Onion powder. Garlic powder. Salt. Half a chopped onion, finely chopped. Oh, forgot the sugar.
Too spicy for me. Ah. Oh, sugar. We forgot.
And sugar.
We forgot to get sugar.
First thing we need to do is boil our pasta. So it'll be 8 ounces or half a bag of small shells. Pour your pasta in there. Half a bag of pasta. Bag of small shells. 8 ounces. Careful. Pour it in there just like that.
The whole thing?
The whole thing. Half a bag.
Half a bag?
Is that it? Okay, some more in here. Okay. Stir it up.
Okay.
Stir it all the way around. Just like that.
Feel the steam.
Roll those until they're al dente.
Al dente?
That's right. Oh, turn it down so it don't boil over. Put it on check. 5 on there.
Oh, 5?
Yep, we're ready. Try it.
Hot.
Is that too hot? Is that hot?
Good.
Okay, turn that off. Don't touch the burner because it's hot. Now we gotta take this.
You mean these are seasoned?
Press this off.
You mean these are seasoned? Little baby seasoned? Right?
Yep, little baby sticky shells. God, that's hot. Rinse it off in cold water. Woo!
It's over water. Oh, we are going to cook this.
Okay, now we need to make our sauce. So we'll go medium heat. Put some butter in there. A tablespoon of butter.
Oh, I know it. I know what you mean. Oh.
Put onions in there.
It's melting.
Stuff your onions in there. Do it, Mama.
You go.
Scoop all the onions out.
You do it.
Okay. They stir it up.
Oh, I remember doing this when we
Like that.
I remember us making something.
Yeah?
Yeah, something that we put a lot of recipes in there.
See how it's turning brown?
Uh-huh.
See it turning brown in there? We need to add our tomato sauce. tomato sauce in there. Good job. Just stir it up, stir it up. Now you gotta be careful, it's gonna splash. I told you.
I think you can do it.
No, I think you can do it. You gotta do it slow.
Okay. Just stirring it around in circles.
1/2 tablespoon onion powder. 1/2 teaspoon garlic powder. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. I think I showed you. 1/2 teaspoon of sugar. 1/2 pint. Heavy cream.
Okay.
Is that's 1/2 pint. You want half of that. Simmer and let's put our cheese in. You want to do it?
I do.
Put the cheese in there and I'll stir.
All of it?
Yep, just throw it all in there. Let it melt. See, it's disappearing. See that? Not yet, one at a time. Get it to melt. No, we did. That's for our sauce. Okay, put the next one on. Yep, put our next one in.
That's okay. I could put it in. I could put it in. I'll put the half of it in.
For the sauce, that's not for you. Okay, put it in. I'm watching. You can't be sneaky for me. Oh, there it goes. Almost done. To get this all melted, we gotta put our shells in there. I'm gonna get the noodles, and then you start, and I'll pour the noodles in. Okay?
Okay.
We put our noodles in. Splish splash! I was taking a bath. Stir it up.
That was a funny song, Daddy. This is hard.
That's hard. Bring the feet down to low.
Daddy.
Look at that.
Take a bath.
We're going to bring that up to a simmer. And we'll be all done. Does that look nummy? You want to try it? Let's get a spoon.
Okay. It will be easy.
There's a spoon for you.
Okay.
And there's a spoon for me.
Huh? Oh, I got two.
Boy, it might be hot. It's not hot for you? How's that taste?
Good.
Hey, Double Dipper. What do you think you're doing? Crazy, you're crazy. Do you need any salt or anything? Or is that good?
Salt.
Salt? You sure?
Mm-hmm.
I don't think I need salt. You might be crazy.
Yeah. Oh, no. I don't know it.
Hey, triple dipper! You're crazy. Don't get too much. Okay, hold your hand under so you don't spill. Go over the stove. Okay, put it down. Let's get some in a bowl for you so you don't have to triple dip no more. Let's put some of this in a bowl.
I really like it.
Here's for you. That's for you, Mr. Triple Dipper.
I really like it.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Well, that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Cheese. It's on